I'm Mohit from RevOS. We build technologies that make EV smart, safe, and connected, and we are also building the infrastructure, the charging infrastructure that's going to be crucial for EV adoption. So today we are here for the launch of our charging product called Bolt Charging Point, and it's an extremely ultra affordable charging point which you would find everywhere in the country. We've been working for about since last October, and we've deployed about 2,000 charging points in India already, and we plan to deploy several millions in the coming years. And what's special about this product is it's extremely affordable. You find it everywhere. It's ubiquitous, and the best part is that it is shared. So why it is important that it is shared? Because as an EV owner, when you buy an EV, you anyway plug your sockets, your charger into some socket. So what it essentially is a smart socket. It's a smart socket where you would be plugging in your EV, and you will get all the fancy data like how much you are spending on electricity bill, which is going to be crucial because right now your electricity bill is not increasing, but when you get an EV, your EV bill would go at least 2 to 5 times or maybe 10 times if you get a car. So it's going to be very important to see how much you're spending on electricity when you're riding an electric vehicle. So you get a smart charger for yourself, and when you are not using this charger, you can share it with other people, and anyone who's looking for a charge or is in a pickle, he can locate these charging points that you have shared, scan, pay, charge. That's all. Only 3 steps are required, and by sharing your charger, you are not only becoming like a micro entrepreneur, just like the PCO box guys that were present in front of every kirana shop or everything, but you are also becoming a part of the solution by adding your charging point to the network and addressing the range anxiety for the entire community. Technology. So if you look at it, it's a socket. The best way to compare it is like a smartphone. When smartphone just came, it took about 6 to 8 hours to charge a smartphone, and they used to only run for about 4 to 5 hours. So what we see right now is generation 1 of electric vehicles. Right now, in about 3 to 4 hours, it can charge an entire two-wheeler. But going ahead, as fast charging technologies has come to smartphone, similarly fast charging technology will come for EVs as well. And at that time, it would take hardly less than an hour to basically charge your vehicle using the same socket. You will not have to change the socket, only the vehicle and the adapter that comes with the vehicle. Those are the things that would change. Showpiece vehicle. It's just a generic vehicle. We only make technology which makes vehicles smart. For example, just like you put Android inside your smartphone, and any smartphone either from Motorola, Samsung, all the smartphones have the same software Android, right? And on the other end there is iOS, where the smartphone and the hardware, software, everything is built by the same company. So what we see ourselves is the Android for EVs. Any OEM that is building his electric vehicle, if he wants to make a smart electric vehicle, he doesn't have to hire a team of 200 engineers or 100 engineers to build this technology. They can directly take the technology from us and make their vehicle smart.
Jyoti Ranjan, I am the co-founder of RevOS, and we are launching Bolt network today. We are the largest peer-to-peer charging network in the world, and we are growing exponentially. Also, we are launching our first product, which is the Bolt charging point, and this is ultra affordable charging point which is going to be available across India for purchasing. This is there are 3 key USPs of this. This is value for money, it's ultra affordable, this is ubiquitous, you'll find it everywhere in terms of charging, as well as it is peer-to-peer, so you can buy your own charger, set your own rates, and earn some money out of it. Much more like how your PCO boxes for making calls revolutionized the entire telephone industry way back in 2000s. So the charging points are basically, like I was telling you, is ultra affordable, essentially made with in mind, designed in India, manufactured in India for the Indian consumers who seek value for money at top of their mind, right? When we buy a bike or a car, we think kitna deti hai. So the same thing goes for the chargers as well. It is retailing at 3,000 rupees, which is the lowest price point right now available for any charging point, as well as essentially giving you a host of features which are not